Hey friends, if you wish to install Paint 3D on Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. So I've shared the link to the website in the description section of the video. Simply click on download and just wait for the ad to complete and close the ad and click on download here. Download Paint 3D. Okay, it will start downloading the app bundle. We will wait till it's downloaded and then we can click on this. And then click on install. And that's it. You can minimize it and continue with your work. It will install in a few seconds. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.